Okay, YouTubers. Today, working on a 2003 famous Dodge Durango. My problem is natural vacuum leak detection assembly, NVLD, codes 456440. Brings me to this. It's a leak detection assembly. 51 bucks at the Advance. We got AutoZone with the check. First question, where is it? I do this video because there's none. Okay. Here's your differential. Right beside it. It's right here. I already took these two bolts out. 13 with my little Craftsman guy. It came off from right here. So it usually looks like this when you first get underneath the car. Did you see the part? So we're gonna move this out the way. Keep the phone out of trouble. Okay. Now we can at least get to the hoses. See that? I just moved it out the way. Now we get these guys. This guy right here. We're gonna try this together. YouTube. So people say, how do you do it? Oh, no, that's not good. The hose is on there pretty good. Okay. You get the idea. Now I gotta use both hands to hold this. Get these in here. I might have to lubricate this with some liquid detergent. Get a flathead screwdriver. We get all it in here. Pop this out. This is your leak detection assembly. Again, it goes in like that. So when you get underneath your car, underneath the driver's side, they're gonna replace this brand new piece. These are where your hoses go, and you do have a wire connection. Make sure it's 3 prongs. Make sure it's the same gear, engine. All right, YouTubers. I'm T. Late.